Fog delays can be very exasperating. Delhi had faced many cancellations because of fog. Recently, there was one such flight which I am tracking, a Lufthansa flight,
This is a
which was to
Lufthansa
go
flight
from Delhi to
which was
Frankfurt,
bound
and
to
it
go
got
from
delayed
Delhi
because
to
of fog, as a
Frankfurt.
result of
We
which
got into the
passengers had to
aircraft at
sit inside the
3:30
aircraft
a.m.
for
yesterday.
8
It's
hours.
10 a.m. right now, and we've not even moved from the runway. The reason is not that there is a technical snag or anything, but because of the dense fog and smog outside, the visibility dropped from 50 meters to nil.
The captain of the aircraft, after putting the aircraft on the runway for over 4 hours, said that the visibility hadn't improved and he made an announcement. Following this announcement, the aircraft couldn't find a parking bay for almost 1.5 hours. And after it found a parking bay, there weren't enough buses to take the passengers off the aircraft. So, all this was almost 8 hours in duration, after which a hotel was identified and passengers were sent over there to freshen up and to have some refreshments, following which they came back to the airport.
Aditya, you
A
were on
passenger
this
called
flight,
Aditya shared his
Lufthansa flight to
ordeal of the
Frankfurt,
aircraft
and
not
you were
taking off,
sitting in the
and
aircraft
also
for
his
8 hours.
optimism of
Just tell me what
finally
happened,
making
and
it
are you
to his
taking a charge?
destination.
Around 3:30, and we were in the
3:30
flight
in the morning.
3:30 in the morning, yeah, and we were in the flight for around 8 hours, more than in fact 8 hours, and we were not informed if our flight was cancelled or delayed, and the reason was fog. So our flight got delayed, and I'm flying again today at 4:30. It's been rescheduled. So I'm just hoping that it will fly today.
In the interim, were you at the airport or what?
Yeah, we were given an accommodation at a hotel for like I think 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours. So we were taken there, all of the hassle from the going to the coach and then all of it. So yeah, it was quite a hassle. And more importantly, we were not even informed the flight details, the rescheduling of the flight and all of that. So yeah.
All right.
This is all mini flights, but I'm saying the 331 is the pre-booked one. Like we landed up at for the 330 flight yesterday. There are people landing up.
So we are attempting to board the Delhi Frankfurt flight for the second time in the past 28 hours. We are not sure of whether it will take off, though the sky looks pretty clear. So fingers crossed. We don't want to sit in the aircraft for 8 long hours.
Passengers have boarded the aircraft again, fingers are crossed.
So we finally arrived in Frankfurt a day late. I think almost 28 hours to 30 hours. I don't remember exactly, between the first flight getting cancelled due to fog. But all's well that ends well. As you can see, there's a wonderful bakery shop, and I'm going to go and get something from there.